As one of 50/50 joint venture in China, Dongfeng Cummins Engine Company, DCEC, was established in the year of 1996, producing Cummins B, C, D, L, Z series mechanical and electronic engines, covering 3.9 to 13 liters engines with the power from 20 to 600 kilowatts. DCEC engines are widely used in energy, maritime, automotive, construction machinery, water pump set, and railways applications. DCEC construction engines power range covering from 80 horsepower to 600 horsepower. Emission standard can reach up to EU Stage 5.
Hi everyone, this is Jasper from ConeMac, part of EMAC Group. In this video, I will introduce DCEC 6B5.9 construction engine. DCEC 6B5.9 construction engine is a 6-cylinder inline engine with 5.9-liter displacement, equipped with RSV governor and Weifu fuel system, with L2L intercooler and water-to-L intercooler system. The rated power covering from 115 horsepower to 180 horsepower at rated speed range from 1900 rpm to 2500 rpm. The output torque covering from 430 Nm to 750 Nm. The overall dimensions of our DCEC 6B5.9 construction engine is 1095 by 744 by 905 mm, and the net weight is about 453 kg. The emission standard is China Stage 2. The standard DCEC 6B5.9 construction engine comes with the following accessories: cooling fan, fuel solenoid, fuel filter, fuel water separator, flywheel housing, flywheel, intercooler, charging alternator, oil filter, oil cooler, turbocharger, start motor. Based on standard DCEC 6B5.9 construction engine, ConeMac provides abundant optional items, mainly including cooling system, engine control panel, air filter, muffler, PTO, transfer case, and other customized accessories. With a professional and experienced engineering team, ConeMac also provides customized modification services for all of our customers, such as oil pan type, fan position, fan type, dipstick position, flywheel and flywheel housing size extra. We can also provide explosion-proof modification for oil and gas industry, and we have capability to satisfy most of our customized requirements on our engine and engine power pack.
Committed to providing reliable premium power system for global construction machinery manufacturer, ConeMac is a sub-brand of the EMAC Group that focuses on construction machinery application. Based on dozens of world-class renowned diesel engine manufacturing resources in China, as well as relevant construction machinery transmission and hydraulic supporting component suppliers, ConeMac provides one-stop solutions from pre-design to component supply, from installation to commissioning, from pre-sales communication to after-sales service support. ConeMac's products range are Caterpillar, Cummins, Dutz, CAMC, Weifu, and other well-known brands of construction machinery engines, related accessories, and complete power pack. Our products are widely used in mining, metallurgy, loading and unloading, airport, forklift, oil and gas, etc.